Welcome back to Sunny Life Trend. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Well, guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi celebrity stories, and namhlanje sikhuluma ke nge-Smoke and Mirrors. Well, guys, i-Smoke and Mirrors ke season 2 uyaphela noma ke uphelile Friday. Siqala ke season 3 njengoba nibona ke bekushukuma ke izinto laphana ke kulowa mdlalo. Into ke guys eyenzekile Friday ukuthi uSiza was trying to kill uThandiso, but uThandiso managed to have a knife esandleni sakhe, so akwazi ukuthi ke amgwaze ke ashone. So umuntu oshonile uSiza akusiyena ke uThandiso, but ke amaphoyisa athazombopha kancane just nje ukuthi enkantolo achaze iside lakhe, because they knew ukuthi ke kade kuyi self defense leyanto ade ebhekene ke nayo. Omunye guys ozoba ne character ke ethanda ukuba nzima kakhulu kulezi insuku kuzoba ke guys uMpendulo, njengoba bezama ke ukuyiphindiselela ku Jason ngenxa ukuthi uzwile ukuthi bayabulala ke uSindi. So uThandiso is worried ukuthi ke uMpendulo uzobe ehlupha kakhulu, ziningi izinto nje azobezenza ezikhomba ukuthi ke uphazamisekile emqondweni because of what he saw eyenziwe ke uSiza nalezi zinto ke ayizwile ke uMpendulo. Okunye guys kune character entsha that will be introduced or ezojoyina ke iSmoke and Mirrors oku siyabonga Thwala. Abantu bajabule ku social media, bajabule kakhulu ukuthi wow, manje sesizosibuka ke Smoke and Mirrors guys. Since isibaya guys uSiyabonga hasn't been lucky with getting a full role or ahlale ke kwi-production company as he did with isibaya. Belokho evela nje kancane njengey'tori njengo The River, but it looks certain ukuthi ke usezitholele a full acting role in Smoke and Mirrors. And yeah guys, sizombona nje I think kuleli viki sizoqala ukumbona. Igama lakhe azobe edlala ngalo igama lakhe uZwilethu, bathi ke uzoziphindiselela ukuthi kubani ke we don't know, but I assume ukuthi it have something to do with ke uJason. And uJason guys maybe uSiza I don't think usazokuthola ke ukuphumula, angazongena ngaliphi side, but nje yeah guys zinjalo ke izindaba. Yeah, just comment usho ukuthi ke are you happy to see him back on your screen. Abantu bayamthanda kakhulu, ngizwe nje ku social media kuma comment ukuthi hayi abantu bajabula ukuthi awukubuya ke uSiyabonga Thwala, kuza uSiyabonga Thwala kusho ukuthi ke kusazoba mnandi. But ke guys it's all ileleke kuma-writers kuyenzeka uthola ukuthi baletha a good actor, but uthola ukuthi bamnika indawo engasile engazomveza ngendlela abantu abamazi ngayo. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.